Gray sweats, black hoodie, hair up, pink and black sneakers, bummy. Sitting on the airplane, United Airlines, listening to Drake, a rapper. Waiting to take off, excited about spring break. Looking out the window, capturing pictures, a blur, glare of lights. Aircraft's wheels stuck to the concrete runway, waiting for their flights. Hearing the winds hitting against the aircraft. Clear blue sky with a little fluffy marshmallows. Million of leaves hanging from branches, coming from underground. Waterfalls coming down from 100 feet high. Standing on rigid rocks to pose for a picture. Surrounded by all green everything in one shot. Beside me, my two best friends, ready for a week of sunny days. Narrow roads, cars speeding as they go up and down. El Yunque, a famous forest in Puerto Rico. Trees hovering the roads, everything all green. Clear sky, clear blue, green, see-through water, the beach. Perfect place to relax and not get bothered. To let the sun hit your skin. Looking at waves coming my way, with winds blowing against me. Spreading my arms, thinking what an amazing day. Feeling free.